Hey there, sleepyhead. What's going on? Yeah, Mowgli. Boss, is it really you? What? Hold on, let me check. Wait, come on, wake up, wake up. Here, let me get that for you. Try it now. What friend? Emily. Emily. What? I missed you so much. I missed you too, friend. So, how was your hibernation while it was gone? Oh, it went pretty well, actually. What's Jake been doing? Oh, about that. He got on my last nerve while you were gone. What do you do this time? Oh, never mind that. I'll tell you when you're warm back up. Okay. So, do you have any deals for me? Oh, how'd you mention that? Here's one simple thing. If you can reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll tell you Jake's greatest fear. Booyah! The deal is on. Gang. Period.